Hi everyone, I am Mr. Chandrakant Jadhav. Welcome to Chemistry Triple R. Today we are going to discuss the neighboring group participation. Neighboring group participation is also known as enantiomeric assistance. This is the substitution type of reaction. Substitution means atom or group of atom is replaced by another atom or group of atom, or one functional group is replaced by another functional group. See the example. Okay. One bromo butane. This is the starting material. NaOH is the sodium hydroxide is the nucleophilic base. OH minus stabilize the Na positive. Br is the leaving group in this reaction system. Pull the electron density that carbon partially positive, partially negative. OH attack on carbon. Br is the leaving group, leave out in the reaction system. This is the product of SN2 reaction, butanol. Okay. NGP is also SN2 type of reaction, but in NGP internal nucleophile is present. In that example is the SN2 type of reaction. NGP is also SN2 type reaction, but carbon is replaced by heteroatom. Heteroatom is nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur per halogen atom. Halogen is the chlorine, bromine or iodine in the NGP. Also pi bond display the NGP, triple bond, double bond or carboxylate ion. Okay, and benzene ring. Benzene ring is already present in the pi bonded system on ring current. Okay, see the example of NGP. To chloro ethyl sulfide is the starting material. This is the internal nucleophile, lone pair species. Internal leaving group is present, means intramolecular type of reaction. Nucleophile and electrophile present in the same molecule. This is the intramolecular type of reaction. Firstly, this lone pair attack on carbon. This carbon is partially positive and chlorine is partially negative. Chlorine is the leaving group and carbon is the deficient, because chlorine is the electronegative element, pull the electron density on carbon. Simultaneous attack and leave out in the leaving group Cl, also SN2 type. But in SN2 simultaneous attack nucleophile and leaving group leave out. In NGP internal nucleophile is present. See the intermediate. Positive charge on sulfur. External nucleophile is NaOH. This is the nucleophilic base. OH attack, one possibility. OH attack. Another possibility, is attack on sulfur. But attack on sulfur not minimize the steric or not break the three-membered ring. OH attack on that carbon and stabilize the sulfur and break the sulfur carbon bond. Okay. Write the directly final product. CH2S, CH2, CH2, OH. Okay. This reaction is 1000 times greater than SN2 type of reaction. This is the NGP type of reaction. In this reaction, internal nucleophile is firstly attacked, but in SN2 type, external nucleophile attack. In that example, in NGP, internal nucleophile is attack. Is the big difference. ऐसा क्या होता है जो कि इस एग्जाम्पल में होता है, जो कि 1000% और 500% जो SN2 रिएक्शन के कंपेयर में जो ज्यादा जाती है, जो फास्ट जाती है, क्योंकि इंटरनल न्यूक्लियोफाइल जो रहता है। इन दिस रिएक्शन में सपोज इस पे हम स्टार लिख दें, इस स्टार वाला कार्बन जो है वो रिप्लेस होता है। वो रिप्लेस किस वजह से होता है? इस सल्फर के वजह से होता है, जो कि जो एक्सटर्नल न्यूक्लियोफाइल है वो अटैक यहाँ पर और यहाँ पर मारने का चांसेस तो इंटरमीडिएट में होता है। ओके, सी द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल। This is the starting material. This is the leaving group. Pull the electron density. This is the positive charge on carbon and this is negative charge. Sulfur is the lone pair species. Internal nucleophile is available. Sulfur attack on that carbon, leave out in Cl in the reaction system. Which is the nucleophilic base. Base firstly abstract the proton. This is the stable 5-membered cationic intermediate. OH abstract the proton is the maximum possibility. Attack for these chances but break the carbon sulfur bond. OH is the basic in nature, abstract the proton, and 5-membered ring is the stable product. NGP displays on 3-membered, 4-membered, 5-membered or 6-membered. Okay. See the next example, the pi bonded system or carboxylate ion system. KOH, potassium hydroxide. This is the alpha bromocarboxylic acid. OH abstract the acidic proton from carboxylic acid. This is positive. OH minus abstract the proton. CH Br carbon double bond O minus. The second molecule of OH attack on deficient carbon and Br is leave out in the reaction system. This is deficient carbon. This is also deficient, but the mesomeric effect is dominant and that carbon is less deficient because donation of electron. OH attack on that carbon and Br is the leave out in the reaction system. This is the SCN2 attack, means inversion of stereochemistry. इसमें इन्वर्जन ऑफ स्टेरियोकेमिस्ट्री होते हैं, बट एनजीपी में रिटेंशन ऑफ स्टेरियोकेमिस्ट्री मिलती है. तो वो कैसा? सी हियर सेम एग्जांपल using the extra Ag. Ag is the Lewis acid. Br lone pair species attack on silver, formation of CHBr carbon double bond O minus. Okay, conjugate attack for this carbon and formation of three membered carboxylate CH carbon okay. KOH is the nucleophilic base. Attack one chance and attack is second chance. Attack on that carbon because highly deficient. This is also deficient carbon, but attack in NGP is the CH carbon. This is the final product here. I am writing. And final stage is workup and formation of hydroxy alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid. This is the final product. See the next example of pi bonded system in NGP. This is the internal nucleophilic species because a ring current is present in the benzene ring. This is the deficient carbon. This is the leaving group. NGP type of reaction means internal nucleophile, internal leaving group means intramolecular type of reactions. Firstly, this bond attack on carbon, remove the iodine and formation of that compound. This is the carb cation. The KO is the new. Okay, replace hydroxide, the direct workup condition. Okay, water is used. Water is the nucleophile. Attack here, and another possibility is the same, equal. Attack here, break this bond and gain the aromaticity is the important in that example. जब भी तुम एरोमेटिक सिस्टम में एनजीपी करते हो तो उस वक्त उस समय तो रिटेन एरोमेटिसिटी आनी चाहिए, तो एनजीपी सक्सेसफुल होगी। नहीं तो जब एनजीपी में रिटेन ऑफ एरोमेटिसिटी नहीं आती तो वो अनस्टेबल मॉलिक्यूल तैयार होगा। ओके, थैंक यू।